Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning. This is from the fourth group of second language acquisition. Our discussion today is about language of second language learners. But before we start our presentation, let me introduce our member first. It is me, Tria Zuliana, and my friend
Asmiatul Mukhiro.
Okay, for the first topic will be present by me. Okay, what is L2? An L2 is a second language, a foreign language, a target language, or a foreign tongue. If you have a second language, you are a non-native speaker of that language. Unlike first language, not everyone has a second language. If you have learned of are learning a new language, that language is your second language. So, second language acquisition or SLA, second language learning or second language acquisition is the process by which people learn a second language. Second language acquisition is also the scientific discipline devoted to studying the process. The field of second language acquisition is a subdiscipline of applied linguistics, but also receives research attention from a variety of other disciplines, such as psychology and education. So, the next is contractive analysis. Contractive analysis concentrated on the rule of the native language and suggests that language transfer was the key to explaining SLA. The contractive analysis hypothesis or CAH was found on structural linguistics and then uh, behavior psychology. So, the CAH claimed that language learning is habit formation and SLA involves establishing a new set of habits. By considering the main differences between first language and second language, one can anticipate the error learners will make when learning a second language. Errors indicate differences and test differences have to be learned. And the next material is about developmental sequence. It is will be delivered by my friend Asmi. Come on.
Okay. Developmental sequence. Second language learners, like first language learners, pass the drug sequence of development. The influence of instruction on developmental sequence. Number one, grammatical. That is the pledge in a sentence where the morpheme is necessary to make the sentence grammatically correct. So, number two, negation. Negation, also called the logical complement, the acquisition of negative sentence by second language learners follow a path that looks nearly identical to the stage we saw in for first language acquisition. For the examples, I know like it. And the next, number three, question. Question, as we know, for negation, The overall sequence is similar to the one observed in first language acquisition. For the example, what's that? Okay, the next point is interlanguage. Interlanguage based on time. Interlanguage is a linguistic system that used by second language learners and influenced by first language or mother tongue. According Saville Troy, name interlanguage as transfer, meaning a transition of prior knowledge from first language to second language, as one of the process that is involved in interlanguage development. Aspects of language involved are vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, and all other aspects of language structure and use. There are 5 central processes to second language learning. The first, language transfer, and the second, transfer of training. The third, strategies of second language learning. The fourth, strategies of second language communication. And the overgeneralization of TL linguistic material.
Okay, maybe this all for our group. Uh, and thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi